Hello. Whether you're an amateur or professional chef, someone who truly loves to cook, there are a few things to consider to reach the next level of success. In this video, I'll be taking up the subject of how to be more efficient in food preparation. Tip number 6, tidy up and remove distractions and clutter from your cooking workspace. Being organized and having a clean workspace is one of the most rewarding and important elements in creating a wonderful culinary experience. By removing unnecessary items or mess from your space, you can be sure that you are clear on all steps for preparing your meal, as well as being able to focus and stay alert when cooking. The biggest difference between a successful culinary experience and a chaotic one involves proper prediction and action. By taking the time to remove unnecessary bottles, utensils, unused cups, personal items such as mail, wallets, or even cellular phones from your workspace before even starting in your preparation can help you stay organized, focused, and on track in order to achieve the best possible outcome. Taking these small steps beforehand can save you plenty of time during the food preparation process. Before beginning any sort of food preparation, take a look around your workspace and make sure it is free from clutter and unnecessary items. This can include baskets, bottles, recycling items, or even silverware that can often be distracting and lead to inefficiencies during the process. By taking these small steps, you can be sure that you stay organized, focused, and on track during the food preparation process. Additionally, for added convenience, replenish any empty bottles, such as olive oil, prior to starting. Doing this small step before you begin will help ensure that you stay organized and focused on the task at hand. It is important to create an environment free of distractions when cooking, whether you're cooking for your family or for customers in a restaurant. Eliminating these distractions will help ensure that the workspace is organized and ready to go. Additionally, these simple steps can help improve motivation, morale, and efficiency. Not only are they easy to adopt, but they can make all the difference in achieving a successful meal. Taking the time to prepare your workspace can help create an enjoyable and creative cooking experience. Being organized is an important part of the cooking process. Decluttering your workspace not only helps keep you and others safe, but also helps reduce distractions and allows you to focus on your culinary journey ahead. With these simple steps, you can ensure the cooking process will run smoothly and the outcome will be something to be proud of. We value your feedback and would love to hear from you. Please comment below and let us know what suggestions, tips, or efficiencies you would like to see in our future videos. Follow us and subscribe for more great content. Thank you for being part of our community. Ciao.